Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bunch of foam weapons that you've probably seen in some of our fight scene videos. So let's get to it. So first what you have to do is you have to draw up your template on a piece of construction paper, then cut it out, put it together. So I made mine something like this. If you want to try to copy it, you'll want basically a curve right here. You want at least one straight edge so that you can put a dowel rod into it and won't have to do anything crazy with cutting the dowel rod and trying to make the dowel rod curved.
Okay, so we'll also be putting a PDF down in the description below on the template for the knife he's making right now.
Now we cut it out. So now I'm going to do it for the other two. So now all you need to do is clear your workstation so that it's easier to glue everything together. So as you can see, we now have 4 pieces. You only need 2 for one dagger, but I like to have 2 daggers in one sword. So here we go. So I got a 36-inch dowel rod and cut it in half. So now I've got 2 18-inch dowel rods, and that will be for the core of this. That'll keep it nice and rigid and won't let it bend on you during a battle. So I'm going to place that more or less where I want it. Okay, I'm going to eye where it was, then take the hot glue gun and just make one line of hot glue right there. So now the dowel rod is attached. So this is more or less what your dagger is going to look like. So now do the same thing for on the dowel rod. Just take one strand of glue. I need more glue. Okay. Take this, put it in the same place. You gotta get this part as precise as possible in order for your dagger to stay looking good. You can put foam on the handle as well, but since this is an elvish one, I decided that I would actually leave this as a dowel rod, because that kind of gives it a more elvish look to it. So right now I'm going to you don't want this to be that, so I'm actually going to be closing that up with duct tape. So here's the finished dagger. So now just make the other one, and you got a double set. Well, here's the finished product.